Hello friends, Namaskaram. Welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today we are going to prepare mushroom masala. This is a very simple and delicious recipe. So let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin.
Mushrooms cut into slices 8 ounces. Coriander powder half tablespoon. Kashmiri chili powder half tablespoon.
Turmeric 1/4 of a teaspoon.
Garam masala half tablespoon. Ginger cut into small pieces half tablespoon. Garlic cut into small slices half tablespoon. Onion thinly sliced 1 big onion. Green chilies split into half 2 numbers. Curry leaves 2 sprigs. Cilantro 2 tablespoons. Coconut oil 2 tablespoons. Thick coconut milk half cup. Salt as required.
Tomato thinly sliced 1.
First, I am going to heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add onion and required salt. Saute until the onions are light golden shade. Next, I am going to add ginger, garlic, green chilies, and curry leaves. Saute until the onions are golden color. It's golden shade now. Turn the flame on low. Next, add all the masalas. Turmeric powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri chili powder, and garam masala. Adjust your spice level as needed. After adding all the masalas, mix it nicely with onions. After this, I am going to add 1 thinly sliced tomato. Saute until the tomatoes are soft. Look at it. Now the tomatoes are well cooked. It's perfect time to add the mushrooms. Mix it nicely with the masala mixture. Let it cook for some time. Mushroom has released some moisture. Cover and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now it's time to open. Wow, smells good. Now I am going to add the coconut milk and mix well. Make sure to not let it boil. Finally, add some cilantro for garnishing. Our simple and tasty mushroom masala is ready. This is a very simple and delicious recipe, which is excellent with the rice, chapati, appam, paratha, and bread. Transfer this into the serving dish and serve hot.
Our delicious mushroom masala is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.